Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting because it is about one particular haul. Last time I did a Zara haul. This time the haul is the Urbanic haul. I know it's a very huge carton and there's a lot of stuff that I've got this time. So I will tell you all about it. It's a very exciting video. So this is the first time I'm trying their products. I've never tried their outfits before. So I'll give you an honest review about it and you'll see a lot of outfits. I have actually mixed and matched a lot of them and that's how I actually ordered. So guys, let's see what I've got this time. Also guys, before we start the Urbanic haul, I want to introduce you to an amazing and a very nice product, which is by Wow Skin Science, and the product is this particular bottle. So it's a shea butter and cocoa butter moisturizer. It's a body lotion, and this is because I've just taken a shower and I always moisturize my body every time. I never used to do that before and I have realized that how dry and bad my skin got after that. So I'm very particular that after taking a shower I always use a moisturizer, good body lotion, and this is cocoa butter and shea butter, and we all know how moisturizing is shea butter and cocoa butter. So firstly, let's talk about the particular bottle. The bottle itself is so beautiful. I loved it, the container, and it doesn't spill at all. I have carried it to one of my trip recently and it doesn't spill, nothing. It's such a nice bottle and it gives you 24 hours moisturizing deep hydration, and its fragrance is just amazing. You know, while I'm using it, it's giving me really moisturizing, very hydrating vibe already, and it feels so good. The fragrance is too good. So guys, this particular product is just for 399 rupees. If you want something really nourishing in summers, you can totally use it. You can use it in winters as well, by the way, because I really felt that it's very moisturizing and it's not greasy at all. So guys, I won't be making you wait for a longer time, so let's just get into the Urbanic haul. So guys, for the first outfit, I got denims and a white top and a very trendy sunglasses. It's very common these days. I really wanted to buy them, so that's what I've got. So this is the first top. You will not be able to understand how to put it. I know when I first got it I was like very confused myself. So I got this with these pair of jeans. The good part is that it's very different. As you can see, it's like, you know, made up of plenty of fabric, like different color. So let's try this. Guys, this is the first look, because I really like this particular top and it was looking so fascinating on the website itself. It's very different, I think. Also, a lot of you must be thinking whether it's see-through or not. You can see it for yourself. And these are the particular pants. You can also check in this particular picture how it's looking completely. These were the particular shades and this is how it looks. Second outfit is a black bell-bottom pants and a zebra print top. So this is the particular top, and I'm sure you must have seen, I have seen a lot of girls wearing this top. It's too in. And also these are the bell-bottom pants. So let's go and try it, how it looks on me. This particular outfit, this is the top and these are the pants. I will just tell you how I have used it. You can wear this particular top with jeans, but if you have to pair it with these particular bell bottoms, all you have to do, you really have to knot up high. And I just folded it inwards so that, you know, you can get a nice waistline. Are those, I don't know, I think the Kendall Jenner and all those pants, you just have to tie it at the back. I just actually bought it because of the style. It's really beautiful. I really like the pants. You have to do something about the knots, huh? You can also check out in the picture how it's looking, but otherwise this is the top, these are the pants, and these are bell bottoms. I also got two accessories from them. One was this particular earrings and the other one was a cute little bracelet. I'll just show you. The good part is Urbanic has a very nice packaging system. I really like, they have, you know, packets and in packets and the pieces in another packet. So that's how cute it is. So these are the cute two earrings. I usually don't wear such earrings, but I really wanted to try it. So let's just go ahead with it, because I really feel that, you know, I have like really short face, so maybe, you know, big earrings won't suit me or something. That's what I feel like. See, already I'm feeling so different. I think my friends or family would really laugh at me right now. So these are cute, really cute. But I think big for me, I don't know, you just tell me in the comment section. The second accessory was this cute little bracelet. Just a second. It's very tight. I think I got it because of the color, and it has this cute, you know, I wanted to buy something which shows, you know, map or something, I don't know, so I just got it. So the third outfit was the Y2K inspired look, which was this, you know, cute pink top and these pretty tennis skirt, and I got the pink cute and cool shades with it just to, you know, I felt that it would look really cute. So this is that particular pink top and a cute skirt, and it's very in these days. I've seen a lot of girls wearing this particular skirt, so I was like, let's try it. So this particular outfit was the Y2K one, which I really liked. It's cute, but the only thing is that the skirt is pretty loose to me. I think I would like something which is, you know, this tight, because my waist is really small. So I think it's a low waist skirt, which is not my kind of a thing. I really like high waist stuff. So otherwise I really like, it's a cute top, it's pink in color, I really like that. Also I got these cute pink shades just for this outfit, and mostly it looks cute when you put it upwards, and you can also check on my picture how it's looking super cute. It's giving me a very, you know, like a 90s look, like very, I don't know, I think Britney Spears vibe. Okay, the fourth outfit and the fifth outfit are two dresses. One is in blue color and one is the tie-dye, which is really in these days. This is particular the blue dress, and there's this one. This is the only one which I've kept in the packet because of a reason which you'll know. So just in case you want to buy this particular tie-dye dress, please don't buy it because its size small is like extra large for me. So I don't know why there is some problem with the size in this particular product, but that's how it is. So let's try this particular dress and see how do I look. So this particular dress is really pretty. I really like the color. I think I got it just for the color, and I also like this particular stripe, which is beautiful. It gives a sporty look. And other than that, I think the only thing that I didn't like about this dress is the fabric. Synthetic, I think that is the only issue. Other than that, I really like this particular dress. I really like the fit as well. So if you don't have a problem with the fabric, I think it's a perfect dress. So guys, that was all in the video for today. Hope you like the Urbanic haul. Just in case you want me to try another brand haul, do let me know. I will surely try to make something out of it. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram handle. I hope you like the video. Do comment on the comment section. And take care of yourself. I will be posting another video in another 2 or 3 days. Till then, take care. Love you. Bye bye.